Ever wondered how to create professional-looking videos without spending hours on editing? The answer is Invideo AI. Welcome to the future of content creation, where artificial intelligence takes the lead. Invideo AI is an innovative tool that revolutionizes the way we create videos. It harnesses the power of AI to simplify and streamline the video creation process, transforming complex tasks into manageable ones. No more long hours of editing or complex software. Invideo AI is the secret ingredient for creating high-quality videos quickly and easily. Invideo AI is packed with features that make video creation a breeze. Let's dive into the specifics and see how this software revolutionizes the content creation process. Firstly, Invideo AI boasts an extensive selection of pre-made templates. These are not your ordinary run-of-the-mill templates. They're designed with a keen eye for detail and aesthetics, ensuring your videos always look professional and trendy. Whether you're creating a product explainer video, a captivating Instagram story, or an engaging YouTube intro, there's a template to fit your needs. But the magic doesn't stop with templates. Invideo AI employs cutting-edge artificial intelligence for editing. This AI-based editing is intuitive and responsive, making the process of cutting, trimming, and enhancing your videos remarkably straightforward. It's like having an experienced editor at your disposal, ready to execute your vision flawlessly. Now let's talk about a feature that's a game-changer for many content creators: text-to-video capabilities. With Invideo AI, you can transform text into stunning videos in a matter of minutes. Just type in your script or copy, select a style, and watch as the software brings your words to life. This feature is a boon for creators who want to deliver information in a visually appealing and digestible format. Finally, Invideo AI provides a vast library of resources. We're talking about thousands of high-quality stock videos, images, and music tracks right at your fingertips. These resources can be seamlessly integrated into your videos, adding depth and dimension to your storytelling. In short, Invideo AI is a tool that empowers creators to produce high-quality videos with ease. It streamlines the editing process, encourages creativity, and saves you a ton of time. With these features, Invideo AI does the heavy lifting so you can focus on your creative vision. Wondering how to harness the power of Invideo AI? It's easier than you might think. First off, once you're on the Invideo AI platform, you'll notice an array of stunning templates. Each one is designed to cater to a different theme or style. Whether you're creating an explainer video, a promotional clip, or a fun social media post, there's a template that's just right for you. Simply browse until you find one that catches your eye, and click on it to select it. Remember, this is just the starting point. You'll be able to customize it to your heart's content in the next steps. Now that we have our template, it's time to add some text. This could be the title of your video, a punchy intro, or key points you want to get across. Simply click on the text box and start typing. You can also adjust the font, color, size, and positioning of your text to make sure it aligns perfectly with your vision. Next, we move on to the AI editor. This is where the magic happens. The AI editor is the brain behind Invideo AI, designed to make your video editing process as smooth and efficient as possible. It automatically suggests edits and improvements based on your content and the context of your video. It's like having a professional video editor working alongside you, offering insights and suggestions. Don't be afraid to experiment here. The AI editor is intuitive and adaptive, and will learn from your choices to offer even better suggestions in the future. Finally, it's time to make use of the extensive resource library. This is your one-stop shop for all the graphics, images, and clips you need to bring your video to life. The library is constantly updated, ensuring that you always have fresh and relevant resources at your fingertips. Simply drag and drop your chosen resources onto the timeline, and watch as your video comes together. Throughout this process, remember that the beauty of Invideo AI is its flexibility. You're not bound by the constraints of traditional video editing. If you don't like something, change it. If you want to try something new, go for it. The platform is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, so don't be afraid to let your creativity run wild. And there you have it, a professionally edited video made in minutes, not hours. With Invideo AI, you're not just creating a video. You're crafting a story, a message, a piece of content that can engage, inspire, and entertain. So why wait? Dive in and start creating today. So why choose Invideo AI over other video editing tools? Well, let's delve into the advantages. One of the key benefits is time efficiency. Invideo AI uses artificial intelligence to streamline your video creation process, so you can say goodbye to hours spent on manual editing. It's also incredibly user-friendly, even if you're a beginner. With its intuitive interface, you'll master the platform in no time, turning your ideas into stunning visuals without a steep learning curve. Moreover, Invideo AI doesn't compromise on quality. It delivers professional-grade results that can elevate your content to new heights, making it more engaging and impactful. And let's not forget about affordability. Contrary to popular belief, advanced technology doesn't always come with a hefty price tag. Invideo AI is proof of that, offering high-end features at a budget-friendly cost. Invideo AI is not just a tool, but a game-changer for video content creators. To sum up, Invideo AI is the key to effortless professional video creation. We've explored the impressive features of this tool, delved into how to use it, and discussed its numerous advantages. From its easy-to-use interface, the vast range of customization options, to its time-saving capabilities, Invideo AI truly revolutionizes the video creation process. With Invideo AI, creating high-quality videos is no longer a time-consuming task, but a quick and enjoyable process. Thank you so much for watching Invideo AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more like this. Your support enables us to keep creating content that helps you stay ahead in your video creation journey. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and share this video with anyone who might find it useful. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and remember, with Invideo AI, your creativity is the only limit. Until next time.